The singers know when to start singing by watching the conductor. That's me. The song that we're going to sing works in counts of 4, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you notice that I moved my baton in a different direction for every beat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why don't you try doing this along with me just for a couple of bars? 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The speed of these movements, or beats as we call them, determines how fast or slow the singers go. So if I wanted them to go very fast, I would give a very fast beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Or if I wanted them to go very slow, I would do it much slower. And so on. For this song, you're going to start on the 4th count, so I will make a bigger movement on the 3rd count so that you know when to come in, like this. 1, 2, 3, if you go. Should we practice that? 1, 2, 3, if you go to a show, that's an opera. That's the idea. There are 1 or 2 other movements that you need to look out for. Before we start, I'll ask you to stand up, like this. And when we've finished, I'll ask you to sit down, like that. I know you're all going to sing as loudly as you can, but if I need you to sing even louder, I will make bigger gestures. So the bigger the gesture, the louder that you have to sing. See you at the performance.